Hi, welcome to the session on wool applique. I'm Sallieann Harrison and I learnt to quilt many moons ago when I lived in North Carolina. I lived there for 3 years and then I moved back to the UK and I've been teaching patchwork and quilting ever since. Over the years I've made all different kinds of quilts, but it's more recently that I've fallen in love with wool applique. They look really good with wool applique. They're cotton variegated colours. So I wanted to find a way of doing faster wool applique, and the only way to do that was to actually bring it all to the sewing machine. And you will need to reduce the tension significantly on your machine because you want this to flow into the back without any ruffles. You don't want it to be tight, you want it to smoothly run through it.